what it really comes down to, I think, is understanding the objectives that you've got for your trading. And, I've got a set of objectives for my personal account. I've got a set of objectives for my retirement account. And, I've got different objectives for my crypto trading versus my stock trading and so on. And when we understand what those objectives are, then we can go and find the right strategies for them. And, it's a lot of people will just rush in to go, oh, how do I make money trading? Well, that's actually an early question. That's a later question. The first question is, well, what do I need? What can I cope with? What are my objectives in even doing this? Do you want to spend 5 hours a day staring at the screen as it goes up and down? I hope not. Or do you want to spend 5 minutes and trade once a week? There's all sorts of objectives you can have. But once we're clear on our objectives, then we can say, okay, well, how can I trade in my long-term retirement account very infrequently because I don't have a lot of time, nor do I want to. I want it to be a conservative strategy. I want this much return with maximum that much drawdown. How can I achieve that? That's a really great quality question, right? And progress in your trading is about asking great quality questions.